My name is Zack Armagno. I am the vice president of Hanrahan Enterprises, Inc. We are based in Fair Lawn, New Jersey. We've been in business since 2007. We specialize in not only residential solar, but as well as LED lighting upgrades, generators, particularly Generac generators, and EV chargers, and even Christmas lighting during the holiday season.
Oh gosh, you guys do a lot.
We do a lot. Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay, thank you. We know not only are you a good partner of ours and you've been on for quite a while at Enerflo Partners, you're great users and seem to be fans of our tools. So some of my questions will be directed at just like your experience with the tool. So why don't we start, Zach, with what has been the biggest impact Enerflow has had on your business? You've been in business a long time, so what kind of impact has Enerflow had on that?
The main thing that myself and my team like about Enerflow is the streamlined process of everything, just simplifying everything, making everything easy for our us and the reps. Everything is super plug and play. Never really have to spend more than 10 minutes showing a new hire how to use Enerflow. Everything is super user friendly, super easy. And it just makes our process much easier and, like I said, user friendly. And it also helps us stay organized as well. I know there's a lot of reporting tabs and organization within Enerflow that just helps us as a company stay organized and streamlined.
Okay, that's a lot. I'm
Yeah.
curious if I can ask a follow-up question. What were you doing before Enerflow with organization, training reps, plug and play? What were you doing before that?
For Enerflow, it was a lot of spreadsheets and Excel sheets and a lot of misorganization. Definitely, Enerflow definitely helped clean everything up and get everything organized on the back end.
Can I ask a question about training your reps? You said it only takes about 10 minutes to get a rep up and running. Can you tell me why is the training easy? And also maybe what's your experience been like with our support teams, like our partner success teams and our customer support teams?
I could tell you our account rep Keely is great at answering and staying on top of things. The chat support feature within Enerflow for Enerflow support is super responsive. I usually get an answer within 20 minutes max from the team at Enerflow support. Such I know April by first name. um, the training process is super easy. Usually, like when I train a rep on something, they'll ask me a question probably the first month until they get used to it. But whenever I train on Enerflow, like I said, everything's plug and play. It'll take 10 minutes to just go through how Enerflow works, how to put in the customer's info, how to request a design, how to access everything, how to search everything. It takes, like I said, 10, 15 minutes, and I almost never have follow-up questions after that training just because everything's just super self-explanatory with Enerflow.
Incredible. Thank you for that. Great answer. Let's jump to another question. Which tools or features are most critical to your day-to-day operations?
Tools or features most critical to our day-to-day operations? I would say not only the designs that we get integrated with Enerflow, which is obviously getting a design is one of the most important parts of getting quotes and everything together. But besides that, obviously would be the proposal. That's what our reps are using in home. I know the Enerflow proposal is very clean, very straightforward. It looks very attractive to the homeowner. So I would say it's a mix of the designs as well as the proposals that Enerflow produces with those designs that are integrated.
Love it. Are you having a good experience with Aerialytic?
Yes. Yep. Yep. Aerialytic, again, super user friendly. The AI designs are fairly quick. If it has to get a redesign, that's also a fairly quick process. They're pretty on top of it. They have that built-in chat feature. They're pretty good with communication as well. If I have to get something specific, very specific done with the design, they're usually coherent with it and get it done in a timely manner. So yeah, no complaints. Everything's been pretty clean. We've been using Enerflow specifically with this company for the last 2 years now, but I've been using Enerflow pretty much the entire time that I've been in solar, which is 7 years now. So when I came over to Hanrahan Enterprises 2 years ago, Enerflow was one of the first to do on our list to get set up with.
Thank you for that. I appreciate
Yep.
that. Let's jump to another one. Yeah, this is an interesting question, right? Because like we're growing, right? We've also experienced the contraction of the market. People have gone out of business, but we are now at a place where we're growing and people are coming into Enerflow and saying, hey, we need your tools. So I'm curious, Zach, what advice would you give a new partner using Enerflow? They're brand new on our tool. What advice would you give them to get the most value out of our product?
I would tell them what I tell any new hires, which is do as many test deals as possible. I think that's probably one of the most efficient ways of learning, and just to see how, again, plug and play Enerflow is. I always tell everyone, do a couple test deals. We have unlimited amount of proposals we can create. So just go in. If I type in test in my Enerflow, I probably got about 100 different testing names in there. But just do some tests whenever, if you're new to the platform, you're hiring someone new that's never used Enerflow, have them go in there, do a couple test deals, do it on their own house, and just see how the process works. Very little do people have to do more than one test deal. But I always say do a couple, repetition is good, and you'll just see how easy and user friendly the platform is.
Phenomenal answer. That's excellent. And it goes right in line with what we think our partners need when they're live is when they're going live is you need to test this thing out. You need to try to break it and so that for your process. So excellent answer. Thank you for sharing. What other tools or integrations you use with Enerflow? It's plug and play for you. Are there other things, other integrations you have besides Aerialytic that you're plugging into through our integrations and through our APIs?
Yeah, so our main TPO provider, which is Palmetto Light Reach, is integrated, as well as One Ethos or Climate First Bank, which I believe they had the exclusive partnership with Enerflow, or whoever was partnered with Enerflow had the first grab at getting onboarded with them. I believe that was last year, if I remember correctly. Everything with Light Reach, super, super integrated and easy. We actually have our reps doing the credit checks and signing the PPA agreement all through Enerflow. They don't even have to go to the Light Reach portal, which saves me time having to create them another login to
Mhm.
Palmetto. And the way Enerflow is set up is they have the bubbles on the side that kind of takes you from each stage, and they literally just go down design, proposal, financing, contract. We have our home improvement contract integrated in there with the ADI forms, with the interconnection forms. It's a one-stop shop. So everything's just done directly through Enerflow. We never have issues with the integrations with any of our lenders. Basically, every major lender is integrated with Enerflow as well. So that just makes everything super easy when you get onboarded with a new bank. You have them set up the API keys and get all integrated. And again, everything's a one-stop shop for your reps, for you. Super easy.
Outstanding answer. Thank you. Can you share an example of how Enerflow has solved a problem or a challenge for your business? Challenge, something that you didn't have. You've been using Enerflow years before you used it here. What did you see that needed to be fixed? And maybe you could just expand on that a little bit. A problem or challenge that Enerflow helped solve.
Enerflow helps solve problems and challenges every day. I have it up as a save tab on my phone. I have it up constantly on my iPad, on my laptop. Basically, whenever someone's asked me a question about a specific project, whether it's, hey, what was the PPW it was sold at? What's the address? What's the customer's email, phone number? Like I said, I'm always just popping on Airflow, type it in the name, the search bar, and everything's right there. Price per watt sold at. I see you get as many designs and proposals as you want, but when you actually sell a deal, you'll see which one was finalized and signed. And every information I need to operate as a business is all right on Interflow. So it solves basically 90% of my problems because, like I said, whenever someone has a question, whether it's a township or a rep, I just search the name on Interflow and everything I need is in there on that customer. I can view the contract. Once the contract is signed, I can open it, download it. Everything's right there.
Excellent. Excellent. Thank you. What's next for you guys? Not only your growth for your business in this market, what's also what are your hopes for Interflow? How could we help you grow? I guess maybe a little bit of a wish list of if we had something else that you needed, what would that look like? And then what does the growth of your business look like?
I think, of course, everyone's business, they want to grow it and continue to grow and scale at a reasonable pace. You don't want to do it too fast, obviously. But one thing I will say about Enerflo genuinely is whether it's Keely or I believe Matt reached out to me yesterday, they're always looking to help you expand, whether it's, oh, is there other providers, whether it's loan or TPO, that we can make the introduction for, which they've done many times. Sales orgs making introductions. Hey, we got the sales org in New Jersey. We were even in Montana for a little while, and Enerflow has reached out and made that partnership happen and made the introduction for us. Hey, Zach, this is so and so. They're a sales org. Okay, Hanrahan Enterprises is an EPC, and they're just always Enerflow is always looking to help their partners expand as well whenever they could, which is very much appreciated. If they weren't, I probably wouldn't have taken the time to do this.
Great way to end this. Thank you, Zach.